Good morning, YouTube. How's all the beautiful people? Well, this morning we're going to change the rear axles on this Polaris 500. That should be all I have to do to it, and then we'll be done. So let's get it knocked out before it gets hot outside. So I'll put you on time lapse, and we'll go ahead and tear this thing down. Tear it down, and I'll bring you back when it's time to try to get the axle out of the diff. Alrighty, people. Well, so I was struggling to get this off, right? I was on my 4th impact, a 3/4 inch, 40 volt. And I broke the axle. Huh? Tell me that shit's not impressive, huh? So, if you can't get them off, you just get the big Makita and break it. All right, let's continue. Okay, if it works right, what I usually do when I get to this point right here is I grab the axle, and you see that play? If all goes well, it will hold together well enough to bump it out. Just like that. All you're trying to do is get that little clip, that snap ring to release, and we're through with that piece of crap. So, right behind you is a new one. And I like to squirt a little something on there. I'm certain there's probably a little bit of grease in those splines, but I'll squirt some spray on there to help that snap ring go in. You don't have to get carried away, just a dabble do. Now sometimes the length on these is different, but on this particular model they happen to be the same part number. So and once you get it started like that, you compress it. That little bit of slop that it had before. And that ain't working. Let's try. That little clip is trying to be an asshole. Still being an asshole. Alrighty. Let me squirt some more. I'll tell you what, I think what did damage to that other boot is this. You can see where it's been rubbing on there. So tank. Let me get a little bit bigger hammer, and I want to beat this out of the way just a little bit so that we don't have this problem. Because that ain't good. A better bet might be to just trim it off, but that's plenty of clearance. I just hope that bolt, or the head of that bolt, doesn't end up causing problems. I think it's going to be all right. I just need to get a bigger hammer because that little mallet ain't going to do it. Maybe this was a little, huh? And you want to try to hold that inner joint pretty dang straight. There it is. Just like that. Okay. We'll go back in time lapse and slap this one back together. All right, you beautiful people. Well, start to finish, there you go, new axle. Just have one more to go because that one's garbage. Anyways, I appreciate you lovely people joining in. Please like and sub, and we will catch you on the next one.